Hey YouTube, I am Lime Green. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the BoxyLuxe. This is my huge BoxyCharm package that I received today. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I have not even got the chance to open it. So I want to open it in front of you all so I can get, you know, a natural reaction. And why is my eyelash seems to be, I don't know. Don't you hate when your eyelashes don't match and you're like, forget it. It is what it is. So that's the type of day I'm having. But yeah, if you guys notice that it's my eyelash, it's not my eye. So anyway, let's jump into unboxing this. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe. All right, 1 second. All right, I'm about to open it. Woo, this is a big box, y'all. I wish I had like a desk where I can sit this stuff down. Like, you know how the big YouTubers do it? So if this camera starts shaking, it's because my box is on here. So it comes in, look at this. This is so big, y'all. Coupons. Everything is extra big, y'all. The description of the product and the prices. So I'm gonna be very careful not to bump this camera, hopefully. So I'm just gonna scoot back. So, oh, I got the flat iron, y'all. I really wanted this flat iron and they sent it. It's like they be reading my mind. Every time there's like a pick one, you're gonna get either or item. I always get the item that I choose that I rather have. So this one is the, let me see if I can find this real quick, y'all. It's called the Mini Hair Straightener PYT. This is a value of $75. So I'm going to quickly open it. This is how it looks. Look, cute. Comes with a cord. This is how it looks, y'all. This is really great for people who travels. Really nice. Real nice. The next item is the Sponge Blossom Bliss. It's the body wash plus buffer. I don't know what that is. Body wash plus buffer. Oh, okay, so it's body wash inside of this and it's like a buffer. Okay. Okay, I know what this is. This is, how much is this? I'm trying to quickly find it. Okay, sponge gel body wash infused buffer. This is a $20 value. It also gives you tips on this sheet of what to do with each product. So that's a good deal. So this box pretty much paid for itself. So again, I'm gonna apologize if the camera shakes while I'm getting these products out the box. Ooh, what's this? Glam AF. So what's in here? Glam AF. What is this? Oh, so this is the Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. I think that's what this is. Oh no, it's not. I'm sorry. This is the Crimes of Beauty wristlet. $22 value. I thought it was something in here though, y'all. Huh. What's in here? Crimes of Beauty. It's something. What is this? Oh, so it's a USB wire connector. Charge your digital device. This is a nice premium wristlet. I might wear this because I might go out tonight. I might, because I didn't go out yesterday. All right, so this video isn't that long. Let me continue. Next is the Wonder Beauty, the Wonderness Dress Dusk to Dawn. This is a blush and highlighter palette. I love getting free blush and highlighters because they are so expensive, y'all. So expensive. So this is worth $26. This is how it looks. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, goodness. I always overdo it, y'all. So this is like a mauve highlighter, and that will be my first shade to use, and I would dig my damn nails in it, I tell y'all. But it's all good. It's all good. All right, let's go to the next item. Oh, it's already at 7 minutes. Okay. Well, this is a big box, so it's just not, it's not on me. So next is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Clean Cream. So if I say that, if I just butch that word up so bad, I'm so sorry. This is, ooh, $89. Wow. This is like a cream that reduces wrinkles. It's like a good routine for anti-aging. Wow, $89. You know, I just bought a serum recently. It's like the peptide vitamin E, collagen, and it's another something else is in there that is good against, you know, anti-aging. It's one of the Japanese 8 routine or rules that they do when it comes to their facial care. Not rules, but you know, routine for some of them. But yeah, this is how this looks. This is $89. Wow, look at that, y'all. And this is, how many ounces is this? One ounce. That's a nice amount. That's a nice amount. Okay, so let me go. Do I just keep shaking this table? Oh my goodness. The Bali Boss Pro Eyeshadow. Oh my god. Oh, my scissors. Okay, so while I'm opening this is, how much is this? $45. And this is the Pro HG palette. So I'm trying to quickly open this, guys, because I know y'all just don't want to watch me just open stuff. All right, come on, boo boo, come out, boo boo. So today I did use their palette. Today I used this one today. This is the Pro Eyeshadows Violet Boss. I used this one today, called Like a Boss. I paid, how much was this? $27. I used this palette today to do this eye look. Check it out, check it out, check it out. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. That's my new little word, y'all, for being, my new phrase for being silly. So this is this, right? Look at this. Ooh. They make some nice palettes. I cannot wait to dig into this. Gorgeous, sweetie. This is so gorgeous. That's gorgeous, y'all. This is a lot of stuff for $50. And I'm still not done. So next is Tarte. This is a shimmering lip paint. This is worth $20. This is called strike gold. Ooh, okay. I hope this goes with my skin tone. This is what that is. I'm gonna look in this mirror right here. This can be like a topper. But when you're wearing a nude, oh, you can't really see it though. Can't really see it. Well, you can. It has like a gold tint to it. My lips, the lipstick I have is supposed to this color, so it looks like it's nothing on it. But okay, anyway, let's go. Let's move to the next item. Let's not stall. Ooh, next is the Lorac. Oh, $24. This is called the Pro Pomade Mascara. Lash Pomade. So what does that mean? Oh, okay, mascara. You know, I needed some mascara, so I'm so happy I didn't go out and spend $22 on some mascara. This is what I've been loving lately. This came in my last month's BoxyCharm. Oh, I love BoxyCharm. They saved me a lot of money. So yeah, I can't wait to use this, guys. Alrighty, I think we're down to our last product. And this camera might shake. So this is worth $65. This is the Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set by Luxe. I love Luxe. BoxyCharm really put me on to Luxe, and so did Ipsy, but I'm not subscribed to Ipsy anymore. So let me open this. You guys see that? Wow. Nice. This is, and I was just talking about how I needed some face brushes because I'm tired of spending money on my beauty blenders. It seems like I need a new one like every week or so because my nails are not that long. But yeah, so this is the last item, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. So if you want to see more of my unboxing, subscribe to my channel so you can stay in touch. So thanks guys for watching, and I see you guys later. And I hope you guys have a happy, safe, fun Saturday. And also remember, positive vibes only. Keep the negativity out of your mind, and you will have a happy, you know the little La La Land talk, a happy life. But for real though, positive vibes only. Bye y'all.